Good morning, students. Today I will show you how to copy a content of a file to another file. Suppose we have a file student in which there is already something written 1, 2, 3. Now there is another file result in which some content are written previously. So I want to copy all these content into the file student. How to write the content of the file result to the file student with the help of program. Let us see. First of all, we have to initialize two file pointers, one for this and one for this. So I will open this file in the read mode, and I will open this file in which the content is to be written in the write mode. Open raw string and the path of the file result. This file is to be opened in read mode. Okay, result.txt. Now file number 2, I will open this file. This is file pointer. I will open this file in write mode. Open the path of the file and open the file in the write mode. Now to write this file into this file, I am using a for loop for line in file 1. I have already shown what is the how the for loop works in the file handling. It will read a complete line, single line. It will read single line, okay, and the single line is to be assigned in this variable. This is file pointer. It means the file pointer which is pointing to the file result, file 1 result. File 1 is pointing to result file. It means the content of the result file are assigning line by line in this variable line. Okay, in this for loop I am writing the content to the file 2. It means student with the help of file pointer file 2. So I will write line by line in this file 2 with the help of for loop. After, the for loop automatically traverse the whole file line by line. It means traverse the whole file result line by line, and the content ABC first copy in the line, then EFG in the line, then this statement will write the content. First it will write ABC, then EFG, then HIJ. Okay, line by line. When the write operation finished, the for loop will be terminated, and at the final I will close the file pointer, file1.close, file2.close. So by this way the content of this file will be written over this file. Here I am using student file in the write mode. It means it will erase all the previous content of the file student. So when you write the content of the result in this, the previous content will be erased. So the output of the student will be like this. If you open the student file and check, the output will be like this. Okay, if you want to maintain the previous written content in the file student, so there is a little change. You can change this write mode in append mode. You can use here append mode in place of write mode. So the previous content of the file will be there, and when you change this, the content will be like this: 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, but after running this program, if you change, so the content will be A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, then again A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J. It will written twice. Okay, so by this way you write you copy a content of the file to another file. This is the important concept of the file handling. Okay, one more question arises in exam. Questions asked in the terms of functions. Do it with the help of functions, do this with the help of function. So I will explain this example with the help of function also. I will explain this with the help of function also. How with the help of function you copy a content of a file to another file. Let us see. With the help of function, I declare a function. The name of the identifier of the function is file copy. Here I am using two arguments. These two arguments are act as an file pointer. These two arguments act as file pointer. Okay, the same logic file1 is used in for loop as a read. It will be copied line by line in this variable line, and this in file2, file pointer 2, with the help of file pointer 2, it will be written line by line. Okay, the same logic which is over here, I am using same logic, and after writing I will close both these file pointers, file1 dot close, file2 dot close. After writing this function, now come on to our main part. In our main part, we have to initialize file pointer. I am using f1 first file pointer, f2 second file pointer. f1 I am using result file which is open in read mode. Same path is given over here. And in f2 I am using student file in which the data is to be written. It will be open in write mode. Simply last statement, I have called the function file copy. This function is called, and I am passing two arguments, first file pointer and second file pointer. This f1 is acting like file1 and this f2 is acting like file2. So both these file1 and file2 are behaving as a file pointer. Okay, so this is the simple file writing operation, file copy operation with the help of function. Run both these programs, both these program, and I am also giving you some assignments to practice. Do it in your copy, okay, not in the file, do it in your copy for your practice, for your doubt clearing. Again, if you run this program, your output will be this. Okay, if your content is initially this, if your content of the file is initially this, then output will be this. Okay, so make the content initially both this file this, and then run this program, then their output will be like this. Okay, and if you want to maintain the content of the file, previously student file, if you want to maintain the content of the file, not to erase, not to overwrite, so open this file in append mode. Okay, so these are the basic concept of file handling with the help of functions, how you can use function. So this is the way of passing file pointer in the functions. Okay, this is called actual argument, it is called parameter. Okay, so practice it very carefully. I am sending you some assignment questions also, so do it in your classroom copy, and in the assignment question, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me.